Good morning, student. Today we have solved replacement model. Replacement model was maintained and repair cost increases with time. First example we can see a printing cost machine rupees 6,500. Here see printing machine cost 6,500 and maintenance cost and resale value is given in tabular form. Total year 1 to 7 and each year resale value and maintenance cost is given in table. So which year we can replace our printing machine? So we can find out first tabular form year, second is cost, we have denoted by C. Cost is 6,500 rupees as given per question. Then resale value given, it is denoted by S. Then cost minus resale value. Then maintenance cost we can denote it by F of T. Then sum of maintenance cost T0 to N. Each year maintenance cost will be added. Then find out total cost and find out average annual cost AAC. Total cost divided by number of year. First we have find out C minus S. Here C cost is 6,500 and resale value is 300. So 6,500 minus 300 is equal to 3,500. Each year we have find out cost minus resale value. Then we have find out sum of maintenance cost. First year sum of maintenance cost is 100. Second year sum of maintenance cost is 100 plus 250 add. So we can get second year total maintenance cost is 350 rupees. Then third year maintenance cost is we have add 350 plus 500. So 850 rupees. Each year maintenance cost will be add. Fourth year 1000 plus 850, 1850. Fifth year C 1500. Sixth year 1800 and 2000. Seventh year. So we can add it and each year maintenance cost we can total maintenance cost find out. Then we have find out total cost. Total cost, that means total cost, it is the sum of maintenance cost and C minus S. Cost minus resale value plus sum of maintenance cost. So 3,500 plus 100, so we can get 3,600. 2,500 plus 350, so we can get total 3,600. Sorry, just a minute. 3,500 plus 100 is equal to 3,600. Then 4,000 plus 3,500 is equal to 4,350. Then third year 4,500 plus 850, so 5,350. Then 5,000 plus 1,850, 6,850. Then C minus is 5,500 plus 3,350. So add 8, we can get 8,850 rupees. Each year we have find out sum of total cost and then find out AAC. AAC means average annual cost. So total cost divided by each year. First year 3,600 divided by 1, so 3,600. Second year 4,350 divided by 2, so we can get 4,300 divided by 2. Each year we have find out EEC, AAC, average annual cost divided by total cost divided by number of year. So we can find out that the annual average cost increases from fifth year. Which year annual average cost increase? Fifth year, 1,770. So it is advisably replace the printing machine for fourth year. Then second example we can see a machine was prohibited with initial investment of rupees 40,000 and following is the data. Machine starting price we can given 40,000, then resale value we can given here tabular form. Resale value is given 3,500, starting cost machine 40,000, each year starting cost is same 40,000. Resale value we can given each year. Then sum of maintenance cost, that means operating cost, here we can give in table. So what will be the expected life as per optimum replacement policy and average annual cost during this period. So we can give a number of year, which year total 1 to 6, cost is given 40,000, each year cost is same 40,000. Resale value is given in table each year, and maintenance cost F of T each year given. So first of all we can find out cost minus resale value, that means C minus S. Then find out sum of maintenance cost. Sum of maintenance cost means first year maintenance cost is 1,400 rupees. Second year maintenance cost is 1,400 plus 1,450 add. So 2,850. Third year 2,850 plus 1,510. So we can get 4,360. Each year maintenance cost is add. So total maintenance cost we have given. Then find out total cost. Total cost means C minus S plus maintenance cost. C minus S is 5,000 and sum of maintenance cost is 1,400. So 5,000 plus 1,400 is equal to 6,400. Each year maintenance cost will be given. We have find out. Then we have find out AAC, average annual cost. Which year average annual cost is optimum. So here fourth year minimum cost is machine. So the machine should be replaced is after fourth year. Average annual cost, how can we find? Total cost divided by number of year. Total cost divided by number of year. Thank you.